In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create your digital store with Systeme.io. This is handy if you're looking to replace Linktree, Beacon, Stanstore, or similar websites. Hey, hello, my name is Diana Castillo, and welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested in, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently, and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to show you how you can create your own digital store with Systeme.io. It For some reason right now you don't have a Systeme.io account, use the link below so you can open a free account and you can follow this tutorial. I'm going to show you everything you can do. For that, I'm going to be sharing you my screen, and no worries, there is a lot of benefits and it's actually really easy and really simple to actually create these kind of websites with Systeme.io, this digital store. Okay. First of all, if you have a Stanstore account, chances are that you are going to be looking to have this look and feel, something like this. Okay. You want something easy, something simple to configure. The same with Linktree. It's because we're going to be using these links for our social media, for our bio. Okay. So previously we have to create sales funnels here on Systeme.io. Nowadays it's super simple. Remember, if you don't have an account, I'm going to be leaving a link below so you can open a free account. First of all, you're going to go to websites and you're going to click here where it says digital store. Okay. That's the very first thing. You're going to go here, websites, then digital store. Okay. As you can see, I already have two digital stores. I'm going to create a new one. So I'm going to click here where it says create. Okay. So I can actually create a new one. I'm going to put here YouTube tutorial. And I have my subdomain, but I already have my domain already connected. I already have a video here on this YouTube channel of how you can connect your domain, how you can connect your email or your professional email address. So you can check that before. So as you can see here, the URL path changed and it says here YT tutorial. You can actually replace it with bio, let's say YT, and this is going to be the link that people are actually going to check. You can choose the language. In my case, it's going to be English. So I'm going to leave it as that. And I'm going to click here where it says save. Okay. So now this is how my store is going to look like. I'm pretty sure that right now you're going to be like, Beliana, it doesn't look a lot like this, but don't worry. I'm going to show you how actually we're going to get it. First of all, we're going to go here and we are going to be working with this. Okay, we're going to be working with the settings, with the edit design, but first we're going to go with the edit header. Okay, here on the edit header, you're going to see that I can change my display name, which is this one here. I can add my bio. So I'm going to put here, hello. Okay, I'm going to put Diana here just for these purposes. And as you can see, I can add my social media links. I can add, and please make sure that you're following this. This is not the URL. This is actually the username. My username is I am Diana Castillo. Okay. And here on TikTok, it's real Diana Castillo. Okay. But I can add other social networks such as my YouTube channel, the X account, Facebook, okay. If you want to have an email address, if you want to have a external link, okay, you can put it here. Okay. But please make sure that it's not the URL unless it's asked. How do you know? You see here where it says the at symbol. Okay. And here you have the HTTP. Okay. So with that said, this is the URL and this is the username. Okay. So I'm going to leave it just like that. And I'm going to click here where it says save. Okay. I can also change and edit here. Put an image. Okay. You're going to upload it here. If you haven't uploaded here, or you can actually look for the image. I already have this one. So this is the one that I'm going to be selecting. Okay. You're going to see here, I have my image. Here I have my name. Here I have my bio. Here I have my social media links. I'm going to click here where it says save. Okay. So if you want to take a look at how this is actually going to be the look and feel, you can click here where it says view. and you can have a better looking. Okay. So now, which are the things that we would like to go? We can click here where it says settings. Okay. If you want to change the name, the name is just for you for internal purposes. If you update the domain, you can change it here. If you want to change the URL path, maybe I don't want this URL path right now. Maybe, okay, you don't want it to be on English. Maybe you're changing the language. Okay. If you are sending, accepting payments, which we're going to be checking on that in a moment. But as you can see, I have my affiliate badge. Okay. I have my affiliate badge. I want it to disable it. Okay. So I'm going to click here where it says disable, and I have the SEO. Here is this image is for social media. If you want to have add tracking codes, I don't want to add tracking codes. So I'm going to click here where it says save, and I'm going to show you here where it says view. And as you can see, the banner that was on the right down corner, it's no longer there, okay? Because I disabled the affiliate badge. If you want to keep it, you can keep it. I actually prefer it not to. Now, I'm going to click here where it says edit design. And you're going to see that I can apply and I customize different designs. For example, I can have this one. I can have this one. I can have this one. You can have this other one. Okay. And I can actually customize the colors. Okay. I can actually customize the colors. You can choose the one that you like and you can customize it. For example, let's say that I don't want this purple color here. Okay. You can change it here. Okay. Let's say that I want this one. And let's say that I don't want this one. Let's say that it's going to be more like greenish. Okay. And let's say that this one is going to be like white. Okay. You can change the colors. You can also change the fonts, which is for the header and for the body. I'm not going to apply it. Okay. I'm actually just testing you. I'm going to keep this one, which is the simple one, just for this actual training. Okay. So I'm going to keep this and I'm going to click here where it says apply theme. Okay. So now I'm going to be adding the things that I want to show. Okay. I'm going to show you more about the sections in a moment. First, we're going to go with the products. Okay. I have the opportunity to use the redirect to an external link. Okay. So I'm going to click here. You can change the thumbnail. If you already have in Stanstore, this is like this thumbnail here. You can change it like this thumbnail here. Okay. So I can actually change the title, change the call to action, okay, and the subtitle. Remember that the look and feel, you change it where here where it says edit design, okay, and I'm gonna put a URL, okay. So here in my case, it's gonna be #1 recommendation, okay. Here I'm gonna put #1 recommendation to make money online. Okay, click here. You can leave it as it is. You can add a URL here. I'm going to put here like google.com just for teaching purposes. Okay, here you have it. Here you have it. Okay, let's say I'm going to publish. Okay, this is actually how it looks like. You can change it. Okay, I'm going to add another product. In this case, I'm going to be selling a digital download. This is more like a PDF and all this stuff, just like that, like an ebook. So I can put like, grab your ebook. I can put some text here. Yes, so here it says instant access to the product name. Let's say like, this is going to be the super book. After purchase and start informing one. Okay, buy it now. You can also change the image here. You can go, and this is actually how the checkout is going to look like. Okay, this is going to be the checkout, how it's going to look like. Here you can put here the title, get your hands on the, in my case, it's Superbook. I think that's the one that I name it. Okay, buy it now. You can put some description here. Okay, and the person, you can add what information do you want to collect. Okay, here is the email and first name. I'm going to move it here. So first name first, email second. If you want to add some field, you can add it here. My suggestion is like, remember that people are filling this information mostly on the social networks. So try just to use the first name and email address. At least that's my recommendation. Here, we're going to go with the price plans. Okay. Um, so how this is actually going to work, remember that this is an ebook. You can put it like, okay, it's a one-time payment. It's on subscription payment plan. I'm going to leave it as a one-time payment. Okay, I already have some that I already created. I'm going to put this one. Okay, so this is the plan and all the stuff. If you don't have it, okay, if you don't have it, you can click here where it says create a new one. And here you're going to type the name of how it's going to show up on your dashboard, on this bank statement, okay, and the amount. Okay, I'm not going to fill that because I already have it. So I'm going to use just one that I have. I'm going to use this one. I'm going to click here where it says save. Okay, and which are going to be the payment methods. If you already have, your Stripe account, your PayPal account connected or other payment method that Systeme.io handle, literally you're going to click it. Okay, so I'm going to use credit cards and I'm going to use Apple Pay. So I'm going to click here save. One cool thing about this is that since you're using Systeme.io, they don't have any kind of transaction fee. Okay, the only fees that you're gonna get are from your payment processor. That means that those are collected with Stripe. Those are collected with PayPal. So I'm gonna click here where it says next. Okay, here I'm gonna have my product. Here you're gonna upload your product. Okay, let's say that I'm gonna go and let's say that this is a product that I'm gonna deliver. Okay, here I can edit the confirmation. Thanks for your purchase. If you want to add other things, you can add it here and you can edit it here. Okay, I'm going to leave it as it is because this is ringing. You're going to click here where it says next. And this is the message that people are going to get when they make the purchase. Okay, so I'm going to go here where it says publish. So here right now I have my number one recommendation and already have my ebook. Okay, I can add another product. In this case, I'm going to be adding a course. Okay, this is a new feature that they added and it's going to be mostly the same, but you need to make sure that you already have the course already added here. Okay, on assets, courses, here's where you add your own course. This is a video course, so you can change already the header here, the text. I'm going to leave it as it is to make this tutorial a little bit faster. You already know about the checkout page because it's the same. And on the digital product, I'm going to move it here. You go with the same. Okay, I'm going to choose again the payment plan. I'm going to go and I'm going to choose this one. Save. You already know about the payment methods. Save. And I'm going to click here where it says next. I already have a course or a couple of courses already uploaded. I'm going to choose this one. Okay, and here's the thank you page. Okay, so here I have publish. So that means that people can purchase the product right away. Say they don't need to see a funnel or any other pages. They can do everything here. Okay, now I'm going to show you the last one, which is the collect emails. Okay, really, really important. We always need to collect an email. By the way, guys, if you're enjoying this content so far, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell. And if you want to know what's my number one recommendation to make money online, check the very first link in the description. Okay, I hope you are enjoying this tutorial so far. Systeme.io is definitely a tool that I recommend because you can start it for free and it's a free account by using the link below. Okay, so here we have the thumbnail, the text. People are going to subscribe to your newsletter. Okay, what do we want? Remember first the first name, the email. If you don't want to, you can disable it here. You can delete it. If you want to add more fields, you already know that you can do this. Here where it says next. Okay, it's literally just that. And here we have, if you want to automate a ruler here, I'm going to leave it right now as it is. So I'm going to click here where it says publish. And here you have your own store. Okay, if you're like, no, 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 this is the very first thing I wanted. Literally drag and drop it. And now I have my subscription here. How does it look like? Remember that you can click here and you can take a better look of how everything looks. So it's really easy, really simple to create these digital stores with Systeme.io. Remember, there is no transaction fee, and there is a lot of things that you can actually do with it. I'm going to show you one more thing, which is these sections. Okay, let's say that I want to put like something like learn and earn. Yeah, okay, because I want this to, so I can move it. So it's going to be something like this. So people have the information here. Here's the section. This section is all about learn and earn. Okay. So really, really nice, really, really good. If you don't want it, you can always edit it here or delete it. So super nice how you can actually do this with Systeme.io. Nowadays, it's really easy, really simple, and it gives you a lot of opportunities. So I hope you guys enjoy this content. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and I see you guys on the next video.